Welcome to another video. I've just added backgrounds and simple masking to simple mode. So let me show you what that is all about. If you've spent any time in pro mode, let me move there now, you might have noticed that if you have a video layer, let's say, then you've got all of these options to change your background, which could be single color, gradients, images, and so on. And you have the same, similar, available for masking, and they have a bunch of sub options below them. So what I've done is I've brought a version of that to the simple UI. Let me show you how it works. I have a camera. Oh, I've just pressed show preview and layout so that you can see me on this right side here. There's a new little drop down to the right of the camera, and it has those options to set background and mask. So the first thing you have to do is remove the background because you can't replace it with anything unless it's gone. So we have my racing rig behind me. Let's remove all of that. And now we could set a background, and I'll put that concrete house in there. Done. So that's one thing you can do. Then you can add a common mask. So what I've done is I've added the just the built-in masks from Pro Mode, and I'll use this capsule here, double click on that, and there you have it. So hopefully that gives you a way to make your recordings in simple mode just that little bit nicer.